Hi everyone, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. I think this is an old box. I marked it 126 of 23, so that must have been when it came. So, eeks. I told you I hoard my boxes for a rainy day. Well, it's not a rainy day, it is a snowy day. So, welcome. If you're new here, I am Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. I do unboxing videos, live jewelry sales. I am guest on other channels selling clothing, shoes, purses, you name it, I'll sell it. Alright, let me see when I ordered this. Alright, this was ordered January 20th of 2023, so it is a year old. Alright, let me take this out. So what we're supposed to get is 15 pieces of like what nicer items, jewelry pieces. So we've got a bag, it looks like a lot of earrings, doorbell. Sorry about that. My husband was out feeding the birds and the squirrels some birdseed because it's cold and snowy here. So every time he walks by that ring doorbell, ding dong, ding dong. All right, so let's see if we got 15 pieces. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what I do is I take everything out, I lay it out, I give you the information on the item, if it's sterling, if it's costume, I'll give you the sizes, and I will give you a price at the time. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the bags, and let's get started. All right, so I got everything out of their bags. If you guys are interested in any of these items, you can email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. We will go ahead and use numbers. It's just easier that way, and so you can email me, like this would be number 1. So if you wanted these, you would email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com and give me the number 1, and that way I would know. And I also need the date or the title of the video. So, all right. Well, since we got these here, let's go for it. Number 1, these are Sea Wonder by Christian Siriano. So this is a gold tone scallop bracelet. Then you have a green enamel. These sit at 7 3/4 on the bracelet mandrel. There is some scratching. We'll go ahead and do number 1 for $10. All right. Number 2, these came together, so we'll sell them together. Alex and Ani with a black faceted and it's silver tone. And then you have a brass tone with a piece stub, maybe? I think that's a piece stub. So these are adjustable. We'll sell the 2 of these Alex and Ani's together. We'll do that for $5. I'm going to move those off so we don't get confused. All right. I can confuse myself. I can get lost in a paper bag. All right, so this is really beautiful. This is a vintage Liz Claiborne faux pearl bracelet. It is gold tone. It is marked LCI. I forgot to write down what size it was. It is a 7 1/4. It is in beautiful, beautiful condition. So number 3, Liz Claiborne, we'll do that for $12. Number 4 is a Lucky Brand. This is a multi-strand. It's very long. Let's see if I can get it back down. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. So here's your Lucky Brand. And then it's like a beaded ball, ball bearings is what I call them. And then it layers down to 4 different lengths. And the the shortest length is 26 total inches, and then the longest one is 34 inches. So it's really pretty. It's got little discs, little balls, and then it also has an extender. So number 4 is this Silver Tone Lucky Brand. I love Lucky Brand. I think they're very well made. We will go ahead and do that for 15. All right. Number 5 is a J. Crew. So this is a soft gold tone, excuse me, a soft brass tone. Here is your hang tag, and here is that little charm on there. This is what it looks like. So it's a J. Crew bracelet. It can measure in between 18 and 20 inches. So number 5, we will go ahead and do that for $8. Number 6. Okay, I am not sure who the maker of this is. I've gotten a few of these pieces lately. Oh, gosh, excuse me, guys. So here is what the charm looks like. At first I thought it was Stella and Dot when I saw that, but then it has a VB. It's not Victoria Beckham. It's not, I don't believe it's Vera Bradley. And then there's a Victoria Beckert, and it's not her symbol either. So if anyone knows who that VB is in a kite, let us know. But it is a gorgeous rhinestone necklace in like a, I would call it a soft rose gold. And then, because here, I'll hold it up against this. So here is more of a gold tone. This is more of like a soft rose gold. And then you have these 2 loops down here. Let me make sure that that is not a missing stone. I don't believe so. Nope, no missing stone. Okay, it's just a little bit darkened, but it is a beautiful piece. This is number 6, and it goes from 32 to 34 inches, and we can do that for 10. It's gorgeous. All right, my numbers are sliding here. Number 7 is a really pretty, charming Charlie. It's red, cream, and blues, 2 different colors of blues. All the rhinestones are there, so it is Charming Charlie. It is 16 inches. We can go ahead and do that for 5. All right. Number 8 is a pair of really precious faux pearl rhinestone stud earrings. They are in silver tone. No maker's mark on these. This is number 8. We can go ahead and do these. Let's do these for 6. All right, actually, you know what? Let's do these for 4. We'll do these for $4. Number 8 will be $4. Number 9 is a fun pair of dangle rhinestone faux pearl earrings. So they are silver tone. Aren't they pretty? I like these. These I think are just classy. Big rhinestones, silver tone, lever back. They measure about 2.5 inches. These will do for 6. And number 9 would be 6. Number 10 is, guess what? Another pair of faux pearl earrings. So this is 2 pairs of studs. Let me bring that up so you can see the 2 different sizes. They're cute. Number 10 would be, let's do $6 for the 2 pair. We'll do them together, of course. Number 11 is a pair of acrylic scroll light earrings. So it's clear on one side, white on the other. There is a little like pen mark or something right there, but they are pretty. We'll go ahead and do these for $3. Number 11. Number 12 are sterling silver, and I'm not sure what this green is. It's not a stone, but they're really pretty. So you have sterling silver here and sterling silver findings there. Really beautiful earrings. Number 12 are sterling silver, and we can go ahead and do those for $12. They're beautiful. Number 13 is another pair of sterling silver earrings. So You've got copper, sterling, and sterling. They are very light, very pretty. Leaf design. They're 3.2 grams. We can go ahead and do that for 15. Number 14. Oh, excuse me, you guys. I don't know what's in the air today. Is a sterling silver chain with a really pretty drop, and I like that design on there. It is inlaid with onyx. Here is the back. Really beautiful. Number 14 is marked SU 925 Thailand, so it's Sunstone Imports. That's who SU is. It's 3.8 grams. We can do that for 40. And the last piece is great, but a bummer. Okay. 14 karat gold and opal. Do you guys see something wrong with it? It's missing one tiny opal there. This is a size 5. It is a 14 karat gold ring. Those are pretty easy to replace. You could have a jeweler replace it. Here is what it looks like. It is marked 14 karat gold and tested, missing that one opal. So since it's missing an opal, we can go ahead and do that for 90. All right, you guys, so what do you think? And that was number 15. So we got 14 karat gold, we got sterling, we got sterling, we got sterling, and then we got a lot of earrings in this batch, a lot of faux pearls, the Christian Siriano, I always say it wrong, Siriano, the Lucky brand, that mysterious VB, not sure who that is. So all you need to do if you're interested in any of these items is email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. Give me the number and the video date or video name. That would be fantastic. And all right, that's how easy it is. So everybody have a fantastic day or evening wherever you are in this small world. And thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me. And as always, be well and take care of each other and tell someone you love them today. All right, you guys. Bye.